everyone. Welcome back to week 5 of the TD Summer Reading Club. So this week is all about games. So in your pickup kits, that'll look like this, I have included a whole bunch of different games and activities for you to do. So the first one is this board game. So it's got no rules, no instructions, that's all for you to make up on your own. So this came right out of the TD Summer Reading Club booklet that you got at the very beginning of the summer. Then I've also included a coloring page, a list of a bunch of outdoor games that you can play with your friends and family, and then we've got a word search. So our story this week is called Lucy Tries Basketball, and it is written by Lisa Bowes. So I will read that and then we can talk a little bit more about the activity. Lucy Tries Basketball. Lucy loves the park. It's the best place to play. Swing, climb, hide and seek. Can we stay all day? Ava and her cousin are on the far court. They're playing basketball. It's their favorite sport. Come join us, Lucy. We'll learn from Jermaine. He's a professional and really knows the game. We'll start with footwork. You'll need busy feet. And quick passes too. Make sure they're complete. Now on to dribbling. Bounce the ball like so. Right hand, then left hand. It's a great skill to know. To score in b-ball, we aim for the hoop. Outside shots, layups, and sometimes alley-oops. Hold the ball up like this. Now aim, then flick your wrist. Keep trying, Lucy. It's okay if you miss. We'll play a game next. Teamwork is key. Use your brand new skills as you play 3-on-3. Smaller ball, low net. We'll use half the floor. And focus on fun. No need to keep score. Lucy starts the play. I'm open, shouts Brett. She passes, he shoots. Swish, nothing but net. Everybody back, now you're on defense. Ava steals the ball. Terrific sequence. A great team effort. I'm impressed, says Coach Jay. Now I'm off to work. Come see the pros play. Lucy's keen to watch. It's a very close game. Jermaine's team trails by 2. The crowd chants his name. Jermaine, Jermaine, Jermaine. 4 seconds are left. They're at the 3-point line. Jermaine takes the shot as they run out of time. Basketball's fun to watch. Basketball's fun to play. Lucy, Ava, and her friends hope you'll try it someday. The end. I should also mention that from August 3rd until August 24th, there's going to be a story walk set up in Warkworth along the Millennium Trail. So the story is called The Thing Lou Couldn't Do, and it's a really good one, and I think everybody should go and check it out while it's up if you have the chance. So for your board game activity, it's up to you whether you want to use the template that I provided or if you want to completely create your own, whatever you like. Some things that you might want to include are a set of rules, some game pieces, maybe a deck of cards that you have to choose from. There's so many possibilities, and I really would like to see your board game in action. So for your challenge this week, I would like you to create your board game and then send a picture of it to the library with a brief explanation of the rules, because I think it will be really interesting to see what everybody comes up with. So for the prize for this week is this big bucket of a bunch of different craft supplies and different crafts that you can make. So we've got a canvas, there's some paint and paint brushes, there are different little activities that you can do. It's a great kit and it's full of lots of fun stuff. So make sure to send a picture and an explanation of your board game to the library for a chance to win this prize bundle. So that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed. I'm looking forward to seeing your board games. So make sure to send them to the library and I will see you next week. Bye.